Hi guys, here we've got iPhone, and let me show you how to turn on flashlight by using Harry Potter spell. So if you wish to activate your flashlight by using Harry Potter spell, you have to make sure that your Siri is active. To do it, go to Siri and search, and here make sure that those indicators are activated, just like this. And then you can do it either on your lock or active screen, it's up to you. Let me show it to you on lock screen. So to activate flashlight, you need to provide the spell, which sounds, "Hey Siri, lumos."
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
And here you've got it. If you wish to switch the flashlight off, also by the Harry Potter command to Siri, you need to tell her, "Siri, Nox." "Hey Siri, Nox."
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
So here it is. Obviously you need to use "Hey Siri" sound, because with Siri only it will not work. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.